Welcome to Quick Book Bites. Today, we're diving into The Education of a Value Investor by Guy Spier. This memoir offers a deeply personal look at Spier's journey from a Gordon Gekko-inspired Wall Street professional to a principled value investor. Spier's transformation is both inspiring and instructive, providing valuable lessons for anyone interested in the world of investing. Spier begins by recounting his early career, driven by ambition and the desire for wealth. However, after attending a lunch with Warren Buffett, his perspective on investing and life began to change. Buffett's emphasis on integrity, patience, and long-term thinking had a profound impact on Spier, leading him to reevaluate his own approach to investing. Central to Spier's philosophy is the idea that investing should be aligned with one's values and principles. He advocates for a disciplined, long-term approach to investing, focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and ethical business practices. Spier also emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement, drawing inspiration from great investors like Buffett and Munger. Throughout the book, Spier shares numerous anecdotes and lessons learned from his own experiences. He discusses the importance of creating a conducive environment for making sound investment decisions, avoiding unnecessary risks, and staying true to one's investment principles. Spier's candid reflections on his mistakes and successes make the book both relatable and insightful. One of the book's standout features is Spier's emphasis on the psychological aspects of investing. He explores how emotions like fear and greed can influence decision-making and provide strategies for maintaining emotional discipline. Spier also highlights the importance of surrounding oneself with supportive, like-minded individuals who share similar values. The Education of a Value Investor is a must-read for anyone looking to develop a principled, long-term approach to investing. Spier's journey offers a roadmap for aspiring investors seeking to align their investments with their values while achieving financial success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Quick Book Bites for more insightful book summaries. Until next time, happy investing!